We'll guide you through how to generate ChatGPT writing prompts with ease. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the OpenAI website on your desktop and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the ChatGPT product page. You will see a section dedicated to prompt engineering tools. Click on that to access the prompt generator feature. This tool is specifically designed to assist you in crafting engaging and effective writing prompts. Now, you should see a user-friendly interface with a text box. Here, you can input your initial ideas or themes you want to explore. If you're unsure where to start, there are predefined categories like fiction, nonfiction, and creative writing. Simply select a category that aligns with your interest. The tool will then provide you with a list of suggested prompts based on your selection. You can further refine these prompts by adding specific keywords or adjusting the tone and style settings on the side panel. This is great for tailoring prompts to match your writing needs. The suggestions will update in real time as you make changes. Once you find a prompt that you like, you can easily copy it by clicking the copy button next to the prompt. This makes it super convenient to paste directly into your document or writing app of choice. Remember, the key to effective prompts is specificity and creativity, so don't hesitate to tweak and personalize the suggestions. Experiment with different combinations until you find the perfect prompt to spark your creativity. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.